Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan with Soul. Before we get started, I want to say something to you. There's a storm coming. And I know we're thinking about, do I have enough water? Do we have enough stuff to get through the storm? How much rain is coming? How much wind will we get? Instead of focusing on the storm, make a meal or order takeout. Gather your family together and spend time together. Find out what's going on in your children's lives. If there's any opportunities that they're overcoming that you can give them some wisdom on. Find games that you all will enjoy playing. And if you do that, I promise your weekend will be so much better. That's what I'm doing. So guys, let's get started. I think what I'm going to prepare for you today, you will enjoy. Yes, today I'm going to make this beautiful herb salad from the Cobblestone Farmers Market. Everything you see here, that's where I got it from. This tomato is so red and juicy and firm. This is a perfect tomato for a tomato sandwich. Yes, they are delicious. This is a pimento pepper that you can use to make a vegan pimento cheese. But I'm going to put it in my salad. So for the dressing, I'm using vegan mayo. Of course, I'm using a dash of pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I'm using some mint and some dill. And I'm going to squeeze some lemon in here as well. Now look at these beauties. These are cucumbers. So I'm making cucumber dressing. They're so small, but they look just like a watermelon, but they're cucumbers and taste like it. And when you cut it open on the inside, it's so pretty. Now I'm going to squeeze in some lime. We're going to blend this up. It's time to build this beautiful salad, guys. This salad has different kinds of herbs and it's so beautiful and it was so tasty, and I can't wait to eat this along with this dressing. Well, it's time to eat. Thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. Thank you so much for your support, and I will catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.